Hello everyone, my name is Kelly Jacob, your Kundalini Yoga and meditation instructor. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Ego Eradicator. Now Ego Eradicator is a very powerful meditation and also includes a very powerful and effective breath called breath of fire. This is almost like the act of opening the metaphorical windows of your mind. It's going to help oxygenate the blood, increase circulation, and also bring alertness to the right and left hemispheres of your brain so that you really do feel a sense of aliveness. I'll be honest with you, I do this Kriya, this meditation every day to kickstart my day. Even just doing 90 seconds of it, you'll notice an effect. It's a great way to awaken the body and the mind. Breath of fire in itself has amazing benefits. It helps to strengthen the nervous system so that you can better resist stress. It helps to increase oxygen to the brain, so that giving you more focus, more clarity, more alertness. And it helps to increase circulation throughout your entire body. If you've never done breath of fire, what you're going to do is I want you to stick your tongue out. I know this sounds kind of funny, but it's the best way to learn. Stick your tongue out and start panting like a dog. Now, as you do that, you'll notice that your belly, your navel pulls in with every exhale. Good. Now, keep going with that same breath, but now I'd like you to close your mouth and just breathe through the nose. Noticing that every time you exhale, your navel draws in. Amazing. Great job. Guess what? You're doing breath of fire. Now, a few notes about breath of fire. If you are pregnant or on the first 3 days of your cycle, you'll refrain from doing breath of fire. Instead, you'll just take long, slow, deep breaths, okay? Now, as we do every time, before we go into our practice, we'll tune in with the Adi mantra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo meaning I bow. Guru, I'm sure you've heard that word, to teacher, divine wisdom. Dave, within me, Namo, I bow. So I bow to the divine wisdom, the infinite teacher, within me, I bow. And so we'll say that 3 times. So let's close our eyes, rest your hands on your thighs, eyes closed, gaze focus in and up. Roll your shoulders back as you take a nice deep breath in, allowing the stomach to expand and the chest to rise. And then slowly exhale as you allow the chest to lower and draw the navel back towards your spine, letting out all that stale air. Rub your palms together as you inhale. Exhale as you press the palms together, thumbs pressing into the sternum, shoulders rolled back, eyes focus in and up at the third eye, so that's just between the brows and above. And we'll inhale to chant the Adi mantra together 3 times. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Suspend the breath as you press the palms together and apply your root lock by pulling up on the pelvic floor, drawing the navel in, focusing all the energy up, focusing your gaze in and up at the third eye. Hold, allow the energy to circulate. Exhale, relax your hands, rest them on your knees, keep the eyes closed, contain the energy. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. So let's begin our Ego Eradicator. So you already know the breath of fire, right? Rapid, equal inhale and exhale through the nose as you pump the navel in, draw the navel in with every exhale. So you're going to bring your fingers onto the mounds of your hands. So they're not going to be a fist. You're going to bring your fingertips so that they make contact with the fleshy part of your palm. And you're going to draw the knuckles back. So we're really elongating the palm. Then we're going to bring this, what we call mudra, our hand posture up, and we'll bring our arms up to 60 degrees. Roll your shoulders back, sitting up nice and tall. And I want you to imagine that you're almost like plugging your thumbs right into the universe, okay? One of the things, take a break. One of the things that's so powerful about Ego Eradicator is we're doing this really active breath, this energizing breath, this charging breath, this electrifying, oxygenating breath, but we're also, through our mudra, connecting ourselves right into our own aura, our own electromagnetic field. So this is a beautiful, powerful exercise, not just to charge your body, but to charge your entire energetic field. It's really powerful, and done consistently over time, not only will you start to feel more energized during your day, but you'll also notice that people start to see how you radiate even more as well. Okay, so fingertips on the mound of our hands, pulling our knuckles back, exposing the palm, thumbs plugged right into the universe, shoulders back. Your eyes are going to be closed and focus in and up at your third eye, and we're going to begin our breath of fire. So rapid inhale and exhale through the nose. Remember, if you're pregnant or on the first 3 days of your cycle, just take long, slow, deep breaths. And let's begin. Now, as you continue breathing, I want you to mentally vibrate the mantra Sat Nam. Sat meaning truth, Nam meaning to call upon, calling upon your own truth. Continue reciting Sat on the inhale, Nam on the exhale. Keeping the elbows straight, thumbs plugged up in the sky, arms up at 60 degrees. Keep going. Keep drawing that navel in, pumping that navel, circulating all of that energy, oxygenating the blood, oxygenating the body, opening up the mind, adding alertness to your thoughts. Keep going. Focusing the gaze in and up at the third eye. Last 90 seconds. You're almost there. Keep going. Keep up. You can do it. You're almost there. Almost 60 seconds. You've got it. Keep going. Keep breathing. It's just you and your breath. Use your navel, focus your gaze in and up at the third eye. Go at a pace that you feel comfortable. Just keep up. Your arms may start to get tired. That's okay. Just focus on your breath. You're almost there. Less than 60 seconds. You can do it. Keep up. Home stretch, last 30 seconds, you're almost there. Keep going, use your navel. Focus your gaze in and up at your third eye. Find your strength. Last 10 seconds, you're almost there. Inhale as you draw your thumbs together as if they're being pulled together like a magnet. Stretch your fingers long and high. Inhale, hold the breath. Keep the breath held in as you focus all your attention, energy shooting through the top of your head. Stretch the arms up. Hold the posture. Exhale. Keep the breath held out and apply your root lock. So contracting your rectum, sex organ. Draw the navel in and up. Inhale. Stretch, hold, squeeze, squeeze every muscle in your body. Hold. Exhale, release the hands through your sides, through your auric field. Allow your fingertips to meet the ground beside you. Inhale, call back your power. Exhale, relax the palms, face up on the knees. Keep the eyes closed, contain the energy, and just breathe and feel and be. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Begin to rub the palms together, and we'll close our mini practice with one long sat nam. Press the palms together, thumbs pressing into the sternum. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to chant together. Sat Nam. May the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Sat Nam. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Now remember, this is an amazing practice to do on a daily basis. If you just want a way to kickstart your day, oxygenate your blood, open up the metaphorical windows of your mind, and just also give your aura a nice little scrub and revitalization, this is a great practice. You could do it for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even just 90 seconds. You'll see the benefits. If you'd like support with that, definitely click the link below and download the free ASRI habit tracker and start making this a daily habit and start to see the amazing, amazing benefits. I hope you enjoyed our practice. I'll see you next time. Sat Nam.